How to lock Facebook profile officially. In this video, I will be showing you how to lock your Facebook profile officially. The profile lock feature is useful when you want more privacy. Once enabled, only your friends can see your posts, your photos, and your full profile details. People who aren't your friends will only see a limited version of your profile. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how we can enable this feature. So first of all, you're going to go to Facebook. On your browser, you're going to type in facebook.com and you're going to go to Facebook and log in. With me, you'll be seeing the desktop version. In case you are using Facebook on your mobile app, you can do that as well. And the process will be the same. You will be able to follow along and without any difficulty. So here I'm going to type in facebook.com and I'm going to go over to my Facebook. All right, and here I have successfully logged into my account and this is my Facebook over here. So right now I am at the homepage over here. I'm just going to go up here and tap or my Facebook profile name at the top left corner over here and go to my Facebook profile. So I'm just going to click here and I will be taken to my Facebook profile. So once here at your profile page, you are going to look down at the bottom right. There is this edit profile button. So underneath that button, there are these three dots which you want to click. So click on that and there are several options to choose from. You can make changes to your personal information and your personal security options however you like according to your preference. But over here, we are dealing with locking the profile feature. So we're going to look for that, go down, and this is where it says lock profile. You're going to look for lock profile and you're going to click on that. Now, if you do not see the lock profile button right away, or you do not see that option right away, it may be under settings and then privacy. So you might see that option over there if you don't see it instantly here. So once you tap lock profile, Facebook will show a screen explaining what changes will take place. So over here, Facebook defines the locking your profile option as making your profile, your photos, and your posts more private in one step. Now, how this locking works, these are some things that you should definitely review and go over before finally locking your profile. It says over here that only friends will see your past and your future photos, your posts, and your stories on your profile. Only your friends will see your full resolution profile picture and your cover photo. And people will still be able to see profile information set to public and public posts that you are tagged in, and they will be able to search for you and send you friend requests. So any public information or personal information which you have set to public will still be viewable by everyone. But other than that, the things mentioned here, such as your profile photo, your cover photo, and your future posts will remain locked and private. So we're just going to go down here and click on the lock your profile option. And here it says you locked your profile. Only your friends can see the photos and posts on your profile. So here we just got our confirmation about locking our profile. Just click OK. There it is. Our profile is now locked. Now, you can take a moment to review all the changes that have taken place. You can go around and explore and see all the different changes that have happened. You can also double check your profile and make sure that you have actually successfully locked your profile. You can go back to your profile and at the top corner, you will see a shield icon with a lock symbol on your profile picture. So on that, the shield symbol and the lock icon confirms that your profile is locked. You can also try viewing your profile from another account if you want to confirm how it looks to strangers, or you can also go to view as and view your profile as any stranger viewing it. Now, in case if you ever want to unlock your profile, you can simply go back to the same menu and select unlock profile. For example, if you changed your mind and you want to unlock your profile, then you're going to go down here back to the three dots and you're going to go to unlock profile. So you're going to click on that. And over here, you can view your profile or you can unlock it. So I'm just going to click on unlock. And down here, there is a reminder of all the changes that are going to happen or take place once you unlock your profile. Facebook is telling you how unlocking works. More people may see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. More people may see your full-size profile picture and your cover photo. You can share photos and posts with anyone. So if you are sure that you want to unlock your profile, just click on the unlock your profile button. And once again, your profile will be back to unlocked. Here we got our confirmation message. Just click OK and your profile will be unlocked. The lock option is available in most countries, but if you don't see it, update your Facebook app to the latest version. Locking is especially useful if you want more control over who sees your photos and updates without changing individual privacy settings one by one. This way, you can instantly increase your privacy and limit access to your personal information. So you just go to your profile, open the three dots menu, select lock profile, and confirm. So that is it. That is how to lock your Facebook profile officially.